Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karenina. My NPM 2019-12500-730. I'll post information about on the standard design test here. And this video aims to fulfill the requirements of the language testing course final exam. For the material, let's check it. In this slide, what is standard design test? A standard test is a test administered and assessed by an invariable or standard method. The standardization test is often referred to as an assessment. Assessment is generally defined as the collection and analysis of information about one or more students. Standard tests can take the form of all types of tests, like written tests, oral tests, or instant skill performance tests. In standardized tests, there are the advantage and disadvantage of standardized. Okay, this is the advantage of standardized. Standardized testing can hold school and teachers accountable. These schools teachers become responsible or teaching the required knowledge for standardized tests, and it is usually associated with instructional framework or established standard providing the teachers with assistance for when and what should be taught. Standardized tests have been natural objective. These tests are usually scored by computer or one persons who are not known by student. And it allows the students in districts, schools, and states to get into comparisons. These tests have been giving accurate and reliable comparisons in between subgroups. Such subgroups involve data on socioeconomic status, ethnicity, and more. Standard test is very practical. It is less time consuming and easier for administer. With standardized testing, the students are challenged to make a common standard accurating skills content that goes beyond the minimum requirements. This result of standardized tests can be empirically documented, and the test scores can be shown to have a relative degree of validity and reliability, as well as results which are generalizable and replicable. Standardized tests, which by definition give all test takers the same test under the same conditions. And the disadvantage of standardized, there are standardized tests make various teachers to teach the test only. Such practice hinders the overall learning potential of the students. Standardized tests can evaluate the student's individual performance that his overall growth throughout the year. And this test may get wrongfully utilized as the tool for people having political agendas. It makes great stress on both the student and the educators. It generally affects the ways teachers teach the student, and more time is spent on test preparation instead of actual learning. And they assume that all students start from the same point of understanding. And there are criteria of standardized tests. In the criteria of standardized tests, there are validity, reliability, and norms. The standards lay out a series of general procedures that should take place when developing most kinds of tests. First, specify the purpose of the test and the inference to be drawn. 2. Develop frameworks describing the knowledge and skill to be tested. 3. Build the specification. 4. Create potential test items and scoring rubrics. 5. Review and pilot test items. 6. Evaluate the quality of items. Okay, that's all of standardization test material. I hope all of you can understood what I give in this material. So thank you for the listening and watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.